Here is another question. What about donating a gift into the gift bag for conference participants? And I think this person is maybe sponsoring like one of those, and I'm not sure what they didn't put anything beyond that, so I don't know what they're planning on putting in there. Maybe a brochure and a stress ball or something.
So my answer here is heavily influenced just by my personal consumption ethos, but I personally am very devoted to minimizing consumption and making sure I'm only purchasing or taking home items that I'm going to get genuine value and use out of. And so I personally find it to be like net negative when I receive like branded swag in gift bags or from a new job or whatever. It makes me then feel guilt for owning it. I try to get use out of it. I don't need a face mask branded in somebody else's company's logo. So I would say no, personally.